Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the euro dollar did end up kind of respecting the 78 and 88%. This morning I was talking about how it could possibly be a wave A and a wave B. So we do not have a breaker structure down at a Fibonacci yet level yet. So what I would recommend is if it does go down and break below there, I would definitely turn into a seller on pullbacks after the breaker structure. But if it doesn't do that, potentially what I would be looking to do is put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, maybe drop down to like the 15-minute time frame. If you see a nice engulfing move at one of these Fibonacci levels to the upside, then why not take it as a long? The trend is definitely still up on all these higher time frames. So that way, you can either wait for a break to start looking for shorts, or you can wait for price to respect the Fibonacci level on a little bit of a shorter time frame to try to get long. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.